If you are out in the market looking for the best PC case, there's a lot to consider. Keeping your hardware cool and noise levels as low as possible is paramount to good system performance and your peace of mind. These should be your primary priorities while buying a PC case. The best PC case will serve you well through multiple builds, plus save some hard-earned cash in the long run. So if you are interested in buying one, we can help you with some of the best in the business. Take a look at the description below to see all the featured products and their buy links. Our list begins with the Corsair Obsidian 1000D Super Tower case. It is the ultimate Super Tower PC case that can house the most incredible PCs within its iconic tempered glass design. The hinged tempered glass and aluminum doors make accessing your system a breeze, while a dual system layout lets you install 2 full PCs into a single case. An integrated CORSAIR COMMANDER PRO Lightning and fan controller makes your case smart, able to control and monitor your system using the CORSAIR LINK software. Telescoping fan and radiator trays, up to 13 fan mounts, and a triple chamber design equip the 1000D for the most ambitious cooling setups. Able to mount 4 radiators simultaneously, it uses a rotatable GPU bracket for standard or vertical GPU mounting, and a wealth of pump and reservoir fit points throughout the case make the 1000D the most flexible and modular Corsair case ever. Next up on the list, we have the Cooler Master Silencio S600 ATX Mid-Tower. Its minimalistic design cloaks its complexity, and the design elements fine-tuned in form and function, resulting in minimized noise and efficiently maintained system temperatures. Also, it utilizes a combination of sound dampening materials, from thick, soft foam to heavy mass-loaded vinyl to precisely counter prominent frequencies. An optional dust filter for the top panel ventilation is included, allowing the top panel and front panel to work in conjunction to cool the system. Also, the front panel features a recurved vent, directing air in through the front bezel. Its steel front door features a reversible mounting system, capable of opening in either direction, while softer, thicker material spans the steel structure in conjunction with a hinge system of magnets and rubber stompers to prevent vibrations. 2 Silencio FP 120mm PWM fans are pre-installed with rubber padding to reduce noise, which features specially designed blades that allow for a quiet operation and high air pressure. The NZXT H210i mini tower case features a sleek and minimalistic design with plenty of helpful additions for a clean and comfortable build. It also has a PSU shroud and an integrated cable management system at the back. Built for many ITX systems, it supports up to one 3.5-inch drive, 3 2.5-inch drives, and a single dual-slot graphics card. Whether you choose to liquid cool or not, it supports up to 2 120x140mm fans at the front, a 120x140mm fan at the rear, and another 120x140mm fan at the top. Thanks to its tempered glass side panel, you can show off your hardware along with any custom LED lighting. Additionally, it includes NZXT's CAN-powered smart device, a fan and RGB LED lighting control unit, and an integrated addressable LED strip. Up next on the list, we have the Phanteks Evolv X ATX case. This PC case is refined with strongly enhanced airflow, while maintaining its distinctive character. This includes adequate spacing and mesh elements to ensure an impeccable balance between airflow and clean aesthetics. It supports dual system computing when combined with the Phanteks Evolv X power supply. You can sync your 3-pin or 4-pin fans with your motherboard through one central hub and configure them with the performance and acoustics of your preference. However, it can support an ITX motherboard installation in the top, allowing for a second system to run simultaneously with your main system. The next product on the list is the Corsair CARBIDE 275R mid-tower gaming case. This case matches the minimalist design and a beautiful tempered glass window with a straightforward interior layout and versatile cooling options. It offers room for up to a 360mm radiator in front, 240mm radiator in the roof, and a 120mm radiator in the rear, allows you to fit any Corsair Hydro Series cooler or up to 6 120mm cooling fans. The dedicated cable routing compartment and rubber grommets enable effortlessly clean builds, and the direct airflow path design provides airflow to the hottest components without any interference from drive cages. On the other hand, you can install up to 6 120mm fans in this Corsair CARBIDE ATX gaming case for heavy-duty cooling. Last on the video, but at the top of the list, we have the Cooler Master Cosmos C700P. It has a unique frame design that supports a conventional chimney inverse layout or a fully customized layout. The 3 included covers can be placed on either the M port or the mid plate with the ability to mount SSD storage or a reservoir. A flat radiator bracket design offers more versatility for liquid cooling, with the power to be mounted on the top, front, or bottom of the frame. The 2 included brackets can each support a 420mm radiator. Its advanced I/O panel features a USB 3.1 Type-C port, 4 additional USB 3.0 ports, a fan speed control button, and an RGB control button. Moreover, the advanced I/O panel features a USB 3.1 Type-C port, 4 additional USB 3.0 ports, a fan speed control button, and an RGB control button. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up to show your support. And lastly, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. Have a good day.